What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm learning how to apply animations and effects to your WordPress website for the Happy New Year. Okay, so you can be applying this to your landing page, to your sales page, to any part of your site or blog including so into a free, simple and easy method. Okay? So let's get this started, okay? To make it simple, first of all, go to our WordPress dashboard. I always like to start the videos with the WordPress dashboard to make it equal for everyone, okay? And before I can start, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this one with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and everything you need to know in order to use internet on yours and your site's page, okay? So once on dashboard, we're gonna review the left sidebar of menus and hover our mouse over plugins. And once on plugins, we're gonna click on add new, okay? Here into the add new, we're gonna review the upper right corner of our screen into the section called search plugins. And right here, we're gonna type weather effects, okay? And this is the guide that we are looking for, okay? Click on install now. This is a plugin well rated, okay, by AWP Live. There is a company beyond it. After clicking on install, we're going to click on activate button. It's going to redirect us to another page, okay? No need to worry, this is the plugins page that it lists all of the correctly installed plugins on our site. But if you take a moment to review the left sidebar of the menu on your site now, you're going to be able to see a new button on it, probably under settings, the weather effect. And this is the option right here. Click on it, and we have two options right here. The first of all, enable and disable. And here we have some themes, okay? We're gonna choose new year, but in the case that we want, we can winter, autumn, spring, summer, rain, Halloween, Christmas. But let's focus on the new year. And new year balloon, new year sticker, and here we can customize the options. Let's review it. Now, if we check, you can see a couple of effects now on the site falling down. Okay? Here is the preview. You can fully customize, for example, change the balloon type, change the sticker type, change the maximum fall per page, the speed, and increase the speed if you prefer. Let's say the change. Click into the preview. And this is the effects that we're talking about. They will not change the website navigation, so no need to worry. It's just a simple effect that we can do to make your site more dynamic and more updated according to the season that you are in. Of course, you can decrease the amount of options, the size of the font on page. You can remove one of the icons, okay? Let's review. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case you have any question, and don't forget to check out our Borders WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. To install this plugin, you can go to our WordPress dashboard, plugins, and new, search for Borders, you can install and activate it. It's completely free. Talking about free products, go to our WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, and new, search for NG WordPress theme, install it and activate it in order to use the best free WordPress theme. It's gonna give you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, amazing customization options that not even premium themes appears, search functions, and many templates, okay? Moreover, in the case that you want to go premium, in order to save time, have a full support, premium icon assets, premium design creation assets, blocks, widgets, and our unlimited access to the library of templates, pre-built websites, sections, pages, and many more topics. Go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and go premium. And beleza, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. All the best!